I'm using a slightly different camera here. I'm using a old camera to be precise, but this one has smaller sensor and it focuses much faster than anything I have used as of now. In this video, we are looking at the Koplin Alula from Turkey. This is thoroughly opened, it seems, by the custom, and yeah, it took fairly long to reach me, and this is huge. I don't know if this is it. Is this the is this the carry case we have been looking at? I'm not exactly sure, but this is Koplin Alula, and this has this. I assume I have two here. Yeah, one inside this pouch looks good to me, cool to me. This is nice. Some Koplin sound and engineering stickers. These are stickers, and here are two extra earpieces. These are mahogany, I would like to believe. This is mahogany, and this is the cherry wood. This is the cherry wood, no light. Man, this video is going to suck big time. There is no control in this thing, and this is, even though this is much faster with things, the audio and stuff, I'm not exactly sure what will happen to the audio, but if the audio goes bad, I'll have to change it. So no extra accessories here. I do not have any extra accessories here. This is nice. Very small, very small. You guys can see very small. This is smaller than my digits, and this is very small. A copper cable. These are the earpieces here. This will not go well here at all. I do not think this is going well. So these are Sony kind of ear tips, SML, not bad. Is there anything? Nothing else inside. This is a huge case, to be precise. I do not think, how practical is this? I'm not exactly sure if this is even practical at all. This is huge. This is reasonable. These IEMs used LSD drivers, liquid silicone drivers. Where has the other earpiece went? Man, this is gonna be a mess for me. Here it is. So there is a single liquid silicone driver, LSD driver they are calling it. This is supposed to be bassy. I'm not exactly sure how this will pair with my sources or anything, but this looks good. Very small. You guys can see without the tip, it is very small, as small as my thumbnail, and my thumbnail is not bigger than 17 mm. This is mostly 15 mm, 1.5 centimeters, and very small in size. You guys can see the size is very small, and this is not very expensive either. Wood housing, the price is at $250. You can choose three kind of woods: cherry wood, mahogany wood, and there is another wood there. Nevertheless, this is the Koplin unboxing. Some tips, nothing else in the box. I'm not exactly sure how I will manage sending a box like this a box like this on tour, but this will be on tour soon. They were very inconsiderate. You guys can see they just did not bother opening it properly. You guys can see they did not bother. They just made some cuts in their convenience. They used the stuff inside it, and they made some inroads for themselves. This is the Koplin Alula. I'll be comparing it with a few interesting IEMs. Koplin Alula from Turkey. This is the Coplin Alula. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll be comparing it with some other IEMs, and I'll have to change the camera here. Even though this is very good sharpness and stuff, this is an old camera and there is no settings. I cannot change anything, to be precise. So this is just in auto mode, nothing I can do about it. I made a small mistake here. Nevertheless, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.